Hello, I'm Klaus and welcome to another Mazda video. You know what it is. It's maintenance time. It's oil change time. I thought I'll make it in the break of the rain. As you can see, it's raining. I'll do an oil change. You know how oil changes go. But I will not use this. This is the good old soldier. This is the GoPro 7 that's been through hell, been through so many things, and this is what films usually your good old Mazda videos. But this time I got an opportunity to test out something. Now many of you're saying, oh, now you're flexing with Raybans. No, this is Meta and Raybans. These are spy glasses, not spy glasses, but you know, glasses with the cameras. See, you put these on and the camera will see what you see. So what I'm gonna do is test it out. Can these Ray-Ban and Meta glasses do the same job as a GoPro? Obviously the answer is no. This can film maximum 3 minutes, and I don't know about the quality. And as I don't know about the quality, I'll give it the chance of a doubt, and I'll use an light. I'll give it a fighting chance under the car. Let me show you the mileage. So it's a record, and these videos are good records for me, really good, because I didn't know when the last time was the mileage change. No, when the last time when I changed the oil. It's been quite a while, but no, it's around 5k. Let me show you. So 220,613 miles. All right, then roll the intro, roll the music, roll the voiceover, and let's go.
You all know how to do an oil change. I made an in-depth video how to do it. This is just a test to test out the glasses, and I can tell you right away, from editing perspective, it's terrible. You cannot film it horizontally, let's say that way. You film it vertically, so it's not a good replacement for your GoPro or a camera to film it properly. The washer I had did not fit, so I had to drill it out a little bit bigger to replace my old one. And the rest is the same. And as you can see for yourself, the quality is alright, but the resolution, it does not record in 1080p. If you're still interested in tools which I used, it's a 17mm on the drain plug, and I use a screwdriver with a hammer to make a hole in the filter. I don't know what the problem of it was, but it got vacuum to the engine real good. fill it up till the mark, till the full mark, and you are good to go. See you after 5,000 miles. No trips.